Hey, what's up everyone? Danny Lightning back. Today we are doing a headphone review and we are checking out the One More quad driver earbuds. I have owned these for years. They've taken a lot of abuse. They're beat up, they're scratched up, but man, do they sound good. If you're not familiar with the term driver, that's just another name for a speaker. So yes, these are a set of earbuds that basically have 4 speakers inside. When I bought mine, they were right around $100. I think they're a little bit more expensive right now, but $100 for something that sounds like this is a steal. These things sound very comparable to about a $2,000 set of speakers. Every time I put these in my ears and I listen to the music, I am completely blown away. You may ask, how do I know that these actually compare to a set of $2,000 speakers? I used to own a set of speakers that cost around that price, and I got them on a crazy closeout sale. They were half off, plus they were on a discount for being closed out because the new model was coming out, so I got them dirt cheap, and those are one of the best, most natural sounding speakers I've ever heard in my life. And the crazy thing is, these earbuds sound just as good, if not better. One thing about earbuds, it's pumping all the sound directly into your ears, so you don't have all the room noise. You know, there's echoes from the room, there's, flaws from the room, and you don't have that when listening to a set of earbuds because it's going directly into your ear. Now, if you'd like to pick up a set of these One More quad drivers, I'm going to put an Amazon link down in the video's description. If you happen to buy those off of the Amazon link, I will get a commission, but honestly, these things are amazing. If the audio device you have these plugged into are capable of producing high-res, full-quality sound, then you will be very, very impressed with these. Now, one thing I will say is I was expecting them to have a little bit more bass for a quad driver. Honestly, having too much bass is a bad thing because those headphones that really emphasize the bass frequencies, they start drowning out the other sounds. You start to lose all the detail and clarity, so you really don't. Now, don't get me wrong, these things do have plenty of bass, but it's very tight, it's controlled, it's nice musical bass. It's not like listening to the 2 Live Crew and shake your house. For everyday music listening, this is probably just the right amount because, like I said, too much bass will drown out all the detail and clarity in your music, and you really don't want that. So whoever EQ'd these and got these set up really did it right. But if you're one of those people that just wants to hear boom, 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 this may not be the right set of headphones for you. Now, if you want very detailed, crystal clear, very natural sounding music, hey, this set of headphones is for you. If I put on some old school Delta blues and I close my eyes and listen to it, I can picture that person being in the room with me. That's how accurate and crystal clear these things are. There's other quad driver earbuds out there that are going to cost you $700, $800, $900, where these are around $100. So if you're looking for a somewhat affordable set of earbuds that sound amazing, these One Mores are for you.